processing project. Discover powerful log splitters that turn heavy-duty tasks into a quick and efficient process. Let's get started. The hydraulic wood splitter uses an electric or gas diesel engine to generate powerful force through the hydraulic cylinder, pushing the log into the sharp, reinforced steel splitting blade. With pressure ranging from 10 to 25 tons, the machine can handle logs with a diameter of 25 to 50, 900 straighter in a maximum length of 60 cm. Ensuring fast, precise, and safe wood splitting, making it ideal for small to medium-sized wood processing workshops. If wood splitting were a sport, this custom-built machine would definitely be the MVP. Watching it handle tough knots is like seeing a professional wrestler deliver a finishing move to take down an opponent. The Maho Slicer is a high-performance wood processor, equipped with a powerful 140 horsepower diesel engine, ensuring stable and continuous operation. With a sharp 800mm mean cutting blade, the machine quickly and precisely handles large logs, achieving 10-15 tons per hour, or depending on the type and size of the wood, effectively meeting the needs of firewood processing and industrial production.